What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So if y'all want to see how I made these stacked jeans, continue watching this video and don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna be using this skirt that I got from Fashion Nova a long time ago, but I could never fit it because it could not come past my knees. So it is a large, but I don't know, like, it's supposed to be a large in kids, what it looks like. So I'm also gonna be using my old sewing machine I got for Christmas probably like 4 or 5 years ago. But basically I'm just gonna cut the skirt up the middle and then I'm gonna sew up each side into its own individual part. On this part, I was really just deciding on what pieces I wanted to cut off and what I didn't want to have on the pants. So I just cut off the extra little pieces and I put them to the side. So on this part, I just noticed that the skirt's width was bigger than what I wanted it. So I'm just going to narrow the skirt down a little bit more down the middle. With this part right here, I'm gonna save this zipper and I'm gonna put it at the bottom of the pants. Y'all gonna see in the future. But y'all go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you're still watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start sewing the side where I was just cutting, the narrow side, just to make the two separate sections, one slot for each side of the pants. It's best to sew it twice so that it won't come apart. Alright, so it should look like this. You got your own little slots, but you're gonna have excess pieces on the side where you're sewing it. So after I'm done sewing it, I'm gonna cut them off. Y'all will see. Alright, so after you have your two little slots, I'm going to try it on my leg to see how I want it to fit. But I realized that the part where the button is too tight on my calf muscle. So I'm going to cut that part off like I'm doing right now. And then it'll be much looser if y'all try that. So now's the part where I actually sew the skirt to the bottom of the pants. I got the white and pink stripe to help me to know which side I want to put it on. Like with these jeans, I want the white and pink stripes to be on the right side of the pants. So what you're going to do is pull the skirt part inside out and make sure the pink and white stripes are on the right side once again. I want the wide part to be at the bottom, so you flip it upside down like that, and then you're just gonna put it inside of the jean and make sure the bottoms both connect, like you can see both of the holes at the end, and then this will make your sewing part easy. So for the sewing part, make sure you open up the hole completely so that all four sides of the pants are not together. Make sure it's just two. And then you're gonna place it flat on the sewing machine. Just the two sides, remember that now, because you don't wanna sew all four sides of the jeans. I made the mistake and did that. I just didn't put it in the video because it looked bad, but just make sure it's two sides like this right here. And then you'll be able to sew it all around the perimeter of the hole. And it's best to sew the perimeter of the hole twice, just like you did the other part of the skirt, just so it will stay in place. Okay, so when you're done sewing the edges of the holes, this is what it should look like when you unfold it. It's gonna look weird right here, but when you put them on, it's gonna look nice. And now I just do the same thing on the other side. Alright y'all, so this is how it's looking right now. I'm gonna go in and make some adjustments because I don't know if y'all see on the right side right there, the bottom is hemmed and the other side is not. That's how the skirt came in, so I'm about to just go and cut the right side and make it look like the left side. I also wanted to do something with the leftover jean pieces, like add these little hooks or something on the end. I don't know, I was really just going with the flow, but y'all gonna see what I end up doing at the end. So I cut off the hem to the bottom of the side that needed it to be cut off, and Next, I'm just gonna be pulling these strings out of it, like y'all see I'm doing right here. This just makes it look like the other side, you know, it got that stringy look. I'm just gonna be doing that to this side with the scissors and pulling all the string out. Alright, so this is how I'm gonna do the other side. It is bigger and bulkier than the other zipper side that I used, but it's okay, it's not gonna be perfect. And this is the finishing result. So if y'all liked it, comment down below, and y'all hit that bell so y'all can stay notified when I post videos. Don't forget to like as well and subscribe to my channel. Thank y'all for watching.
Left of me, stretching like elastic, no, every little